Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you, of course. Today, let me introduce you for the brand new iPhone 17 Pro model, the QHOHQ case for iPhone 17 Pro. It's also on the market, available for the iPhone 17 and the 17 Pro Max and the Samsung Galaxy A56 and A36 too. This here is a case with two pieces of armored glass, plus a set of camera protector. It's compatible with a MagSafe system, military standard protection, and it's a magnetic phone case, translucent matte black. It's a back protective case, and it comes and makes a good look for our smartphone. But of course, it makes more, not only a good look, of course, it makes a good job because of protection. Yeah, the case for the iPhone 17 Pro combines a flexible TPU frame with a semi-transparent rigid PC bag, through which the phone logo is discreetly visible. This gives the mystical high quality and elegant appearance that exphasious and extraordinary style. The semi-transparent matte coating offers a silky smooth feel and effectively protects against fingerprints, oil traces, and dust. The phone case is equipped with 42 and 56 magnets, which have a triple magnetic attraction of a normal magnet. They can be perfectly combined with the magnetic batteries, car mounts for a MagSafe and other accessories, providing a super stability and preventing them from dropping. The one-to-one perfect arrangement of magnets can automatically adhere and align and maintain a fast charge of 15 watt for the phone. And additionally, two pieces of 9H ultra hard protective films for the iPhone 17 Pro are included, and it passes over 10,000 crash tests and 3-meter drop tests. And other military protection standards against drop and scratches. 1-to-1 full surface coverage without cracks. Only 0.33 millimeter ultra thin glass preserves the reaction speed and operation as with the original device. And high-quality anti-fingerprint coating effectively prevents the dirt traces. And the camera protection, it's made of 99% of translucent glass, almost invisible after sticking, combined with the AR anti-reflection technology to restore the original image quality. Upgrade to the 9H hardness for the increased scratch resistance. Independent, full protection construction with a high-quality AB adhesive. Ensures a firm hold without detachment. Dust and fog-free. Original device molded for a perfect fit with that phone in 99% of all cases. And of course, an easy installation is on the top included. This all and more brings us the QHOQH case for the iPhone 17 Pro with two pieces of armored glass and a set of camera protectors. And of course, a nice case. Yeah, compatible with MagSafe military standard protection, baby. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun Sun!